Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you all very much for joining the live stream. This is the last chart live stream of 2019, and then we will look at it in January. Just a special thanks to my subscribers. Thank you guys for watching the channel. Always an absolute pleasure. Special thanks to my donators as well. We're one shy of doing a donator giveaway. So there's currently there's 9 spots taken. There's still 1 more spot if someone is keen to be a donator to the channel, and I'll do a separate giveaway for that. We will be doing a giveaway in this video. Obviously, for those that are in the live stream, are going to benefit from. So again, thank you for those that are going to come and join us in a sec. But it's good to see everyone. Some people just dropped in now. Always an absolute pleasure to see the usual characters. Interesting day today. Silver has broken out finally of its rut, which is great news. Great news. Absolutely ecstatic. You can see the amount of wicks on that particular chart. It's seriously a major recovery in regards to silver. Just to break out of that 1710 resistance, and what a way to do it. We hit it higher about 17, I think it was 1722, 23. It's pulled back some, but the bulls are still in control at the moment, so we will be taking a look at that again. Thank you very much, guys. I see there's a few in here now. We got 3 watching at the minute, so currently you guys will benefit with the giveaway. I've got some stuff lined up at the minute, so we will I'll also put it in the camera there so you can see exactly what is on the cards for the giveaway. It's going to be a random number generator drawn, so whoever selects the number the same as the previous one, whoever selects the number first, obviously based on that we'll get the first shot in. So we're going to see exactly how this is going to play out. So let's get straight into the chart anyway. And there's a bit of news. There hasn't been much news in regards to the breakout for silver. It's interesting because I put it in the Google search engine and nothing came up with the exception of 6 hours ago or yesterday. And then I eventually found a post. Doesn't really say much, but we'll have a look at it and we'll see how we get on. There we go. Silver Junky says, I like the sound of that. Hey man, how you doing? That's what silver sounds like. Be interesting to see if anyone can guess what I have in my hand. That would be fantastic. Let me know in the chat what you think is going to be given away here. Anyway, so let's have a look. We've got quite a few people in, so we're going to start off with Silver Junky. He's saying, how you doing? Michael M, always good to see you. Thank you very much for dropping in. Michael M, wow. I think if I'm not mistaken, Michael, you won the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And we're going to be doing a 1,400 subscriber giveaway soon, so make sure you're around for that one. I'm only a few subscribers away. Luck of the Irish, how you doing? Good to see you. Bigfoot, Silver Hide and Seeker, absolute pleasure to see you. And then we've also got Luck of the Irish says last if 2019. How dare you? Well, it's one of those things. Luck of the Irish has smashed the like button, and then we got Silver Junky says I like the sound of that. And then hello, my Silver Peep says Tom Gramstacker. Always good to see you, Tom. Thank you for dropping in. Woohoo! I am 100 air again. Stacks and stuff. Good to see you, buddy. How you doing today? Fantastic that you can make it. It says, yo, what's up, everyone? Stacks and stuff there. Michael M saying hello. Tom Gramstacker says, music to my ears. Always good to see you guys. Tell me if you're you guys taking part in the Silver Chimps giveaway. If you haven't seen my video there, be sure to check out that bounty I put on the return of that piece. So definitely worth a look. Let me know if you'll be taking part in that. Michael M says, I'm not sure. It could be a different Michael. Michael M. It was some time ago. If you're not sure, then it probably most likely isn't you. There was also a Michael M though, which is unusual. There'd be 2 Michael M's. Anyway, let's have a look at the charts here. So this is our breakout right over here, guys. Now I've left the arrows here. You can still see there's our main areas of resistance at the minute, and we're knocking on the door right now in regards to where resistance was. We had a high of 1725. So we're finally out of. It's only taken about a month, just over a month, to get out of this sort of hole we've seen ourselves in. So now we've actually broken above that 50 moving average, which is this orange line. We're also way above our other averages, which is great. So it really is fantastic to see that sort of movement to the upside. We're still in a resistance zone at the minute. However, it looks more positive because of this essential move. We got such a big candle forming that it's stronger than any of these, which you can see the amount of wicks. It's been wicking up, which basically means it's been pushing up but just being rejected, and that consistent pushing up by these wicks here has eventually got the bulls in to take charge and break through that 50 EMA resistance exponential moving average. We're currently at 17.18, so $17.18 per ounce. This is on the daily. Real great move, fantastic. But let's see if there's any news out there at the minute. The other metals haven't been as lucky. Silver's almost 1% up. We've got gold down 0.04%. We've got platinum down 2%. So we're going to take a look at that and find out what the story is there. Palladium's taken a bit of a knock today, almost down 5% for Palladium. So a bit of profit taking there. I think more than likely we will be taking a close look at that. You can see by the last one there, it just as it hit 2,000 and it started to sort of make its way back down again. So we will be taking a look. Let's just see. We've still got 5 in the house. Here we go. Field Guy's in here. Field Guy. How you doing? Field Guy 316. Excellent. Good to see you. Hello, Bigfoot. We got stacks of stuff. Says work hours are killing me, Limey. Glad to be here. Yeah, I know what you mean. I'm finishing up for Christmas tomorrow, and then I'm off until next Saturday. Looking forward to that. Michael M said, I don't remember what 1K goal you mean. Clearly, Michael, it wasn't you, but there was another Michael M. There was it was my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Mark B says, hello all. How you doing there, Mark? Good to see you. We've got stacks and stuff. Hey, Field Guy. And we've also got Silver Junky says, I'm okay. Just getting the attorneys ready to take care of the public schools here. Comes a time when you've got to straighten out the public servants and remind them they're servants. I'm in a bad mood, says Silver Junky. And it's always good to see you. What do you think? 1350 still possible? Let's see what we got. We just hit double figures, so we're up to 10 people here. It was probably a different Michael M. Oh, it certainly seems the way, Michael. But thanks, Silver Chimp. Man, I was just mentioning you actually. Wow, it's pretty impressive. Thanks for dropping in, man. You guys know Silver Chimp? He's doing a giveaway at the minute. I'm offering a bounty on that giveaway. So, when are you doing that draw? I think you were supposed to be doing the draw yesterday, or was it the competition closing on Thursday? One of the two. I thought maybe you were giving that away. Gramstacker, man, how you doing? It's good to see you. Gramstacker, man, good to see you guys. We're up to 11 at the minute. How you stacks and stuff? Blended whiskey, man, geez, great stuff. Glad you guys can make the last chart stream of 2019. Let's have a look. Yo, Gramstacker. Field Guy 316 says, I'm good. Jeez, man, it's good to see you. It's amazing that I can still see old subscribers you haven't seen in a while that pop up. It's great. Right, let's get back to the charts there. So, what are we tracking at the minute? Well, it depends. If we're able to maintain this, it certainly would be great to see silver sit above that 1720 mark, because if we can at least just tip over this resistance level here at 1722 and just push up a little bit higher, just finish up above that, then effectively it opens up a whole new level, guys, because that means we should be aiming to the upper area. So it depends on where we finish here. We're definitely looking better. We're above that 50. If you have a look, guys, it's been a while since we've been above that 50. I mean, look at that, how far we go back. So the last time we were above that 50 was back here. That was 26th of September. We were actually above that. And I mean, I suppose maybe you could include this to a degree, maybe pull it forward back, maybe beginning November. But again, from a persistent, consistent level, it was definitely September. Otherwise, the last time we were there officially was beginning of November. So it's great to be actually back above that. Hopefully it's sustainable. We can still see our support lines are still in place over here. Our support line at 1660 is holding. And then we're also making a new level of support here just by consistently being in that sort of sideways momentum. So we've got a fair amount of support at this level. So 1719, we're going to come back to silver shortly, guys. We've also got a giveaway to do. So and I've got to make sure that I have enough time for everything. Let's take a look at the weekly. Man, look at that for the weekly, guys. That is pretty strong. So we're actually, if you look at the last 5 weeks, we haven't had a candle body in this area for that amount of time, with the exception of this big red, which is very bad. But there you go. On the weekly candle, we're above the 20 EMA. We're back above that level instead of trading between these zones here. Very good. So we'll have to wait and see what silver has in store. That's some news, guys. As I was saying there, I couldn't really find any news, so we're going to get stuck into it. We got Silver Wolverine, man. How you doing? Good to see you, buddy. Silver Wolverine. Is that the 120? Okay, that's right. That's not the one there. That was another one. That was a bit of old news. It was talking about the breaking the 17 level. Yeah, I want something a bit more concrete. Here we go. Just metals. This is by actionforex.com. It says silver breaks out, so we will come back to that in a sec. Let me just make sure everyone's looked after here. Right. Well, there we go. The comments are piling in. So we've got there we go. Looks like Silver Chimp's announced the winner. Be interesting to see if he had that comment in. That's what I'd like. I'd definitely like to know. Silver Wolverine says, "Hi, Silver Lamy 79." Then Phil guys says, "What that? What that nations?" There we go. Silver Chimp says he picked a winner last night. Announced winner on Saturday at 10 a.m. Okay, that's unusual. You don't do a live recording or something like that. Just saying. Stacks and Silver says hello. We got John Chum Adventures. Good to see you. We just hit the 12, everybody. So thank you very much again for taking the time out. Silver Chimp says, I wonder if they'll take the bounty. I wonder too. Hello, Stacks and Stuff. Thanks for subscribing. Hit you back. Michael M. I would. He says he would. Michael M says, but the sal round. Let's have a look. Silver Wolverine says cold. It's mid 20 degrees and I'm outside. Well, you should probably get back inside, Silver Wolverine. See if we just hit 13 as well. See if we can keep the numbers going. Them Saints. Silver Chimp. What up? All right, let's have a look at this. It says, despite Wall Street hitting yet another record high today and the dollar index extending its recovery, precious metals are still holding their own. This may reflect expectations of stronger Chinese demand for precious metals following the nation's agreement to a Phase 1 trade deal with the US. In fact, the silver was doing particularly well after it managed to break through the key resistance of around 1710. I've spoken about that 1710 level multiple times. I've said it in the last number of weeks in regards to where we need to, pretty much silver, it needs to get through that technical level at 1710 in order for it to aim higher. So finally, we've done that. We'll have to see what happens on Monday. It says it's 1710, taking out in process the bearish trend line. True. The breakout, if sustained, could lead to further follow-up technical buying heading towards year end. Now, I've said this before. Yep. So long as it's maintained, so we need to again wait until the confirmation comes in on Monday. So we're gonna have to wait just that couple of days. Silver's breakout also suggests gold may follow suit and break through its own resistance level at 1481. Yeah, we'll have to. It's currently at 1477. That's its key technical level, is the 1480 level. So we'll have to come back to that. So watch out for that possibility. It says some levels to watch are included in the chart below. See, that's his own technical analysis. That's forex.com. There was only a show on. There really wasn't any news out there, guys, surprisingly. We're going to take a look at the gold charts. I'm going to crack things on a bit here. We're up to 15 minutes and we still need to do the giveaway. Right, so there's the gold chart. You can see the arrows where I've left the arrows from the previous one. There's our support lines currently in place over here, and over there. And there's our resistance line. The resistance line is still in place. The resistance line hasn't been broken yet. The $1,480 mark is the key resistance mark. You can see by this constant wicking that gold's been wanting a breakout for some time, guys. and we might only see that transition out next week. So it's subject to what happens here. If it piggybacks off what silver's done, more than likely we could expect to see a gold breakout next week. But again, we're gonna have to wait until Monday. It's looking pretty healthy though. There's our 50 exponential moving average line. We've got our 20 line, which is up under it. This is gold on the daily, and there's our 100 line, and there's our 200 line all the way back here. Just in case you guys are wondering what the 20, 50, 100, 200 means, it means the average price for 20 days, 50 days, 100 days, 200 days. So hence why you'll see a fluctuation in regards to the prices there. So the average price for gold over the last 200 days has been $1,425 per ounce. The average of gold in the last 20 days has been $1,472 an ounce. Are you guys going to be stacking up on gold? Do you think that a possible breakout is definitely coming? Let me know in the chat, please. Right, let's take a look. So we got 13. We managed to get another guy in, another person in. So let's have a look while the chat is definitely flying. Right, Ozzy Alchemist, man, good to see you, Ozzy. Fantastic, man. Silver Chimp says, unfortunately, I can't go live. Don't have 1,000 subs. Oh, man. I've forgotten about that, Silver Chimp. It's quite a good... I think if you got a webcam, if I'm not mistaken, unless they've totally changed that rule, but that sucks. I remember when I used to do a lot of live streams, and then, of course, they canned it, and then you had to either get a webcam, or if you used your phone, you had to wait till you were 1,000 subscribers. So, well, you're nearly there anyway, Silver Chimp. Don't forget them tigers. That says blended whiskey. And we got John Chum Adventure says, hi, Silver Chimp, new friend. There you go. You're getting some subscribers while you're here as well, guys. Michael M says, man, I was planning on going to my LCS, but I saw the price go up. Yeah, it always tends to put people off, or half the time, no one really worries about the silver price as long as they keep putting their silver away. LSU says that go Tigers. Says Silver Chimp. Hey guys, cheers, blended whiskey. Thanks for dropping in. Going to put some roots on Oklahoma. Got to run later, guys. Cheers, Silver Chimp. Yeah, everyone's saying hello there. That's pretty cool. Michael M. Later, Silver Chimp. Thanks, guys. See if we can keep the momentum going. So, gold. Again, we can see our support lines hasn't really broken down at the minute, which means that we've had our consistent level of consolidation kicking in. So we should start to see some movement next week. Gold price $1,477. It's down 64 cents, so down a small margin. Right, let's move on to platinum, guys. I'm seriously thinking about putting a platinum video together, just because, and I'm not talking about platinum label. I'm talking about actually seeing what the benefits or the reasons for buying platinum are. But I'm thinking of doing that. So currently, platinum $915 per ounce, currently down $18.63. Quite a substantial amount. We can clearly see it there. Unfortunately, it's quite sad that it has broken this level of support here, which is this ascending support line. Again, it was, if you think about it, it didn't really last long. It lasted a week, and then it's come back down again. Well, we might see a complete U-turn on Monday, and then the metal might go back up again. Sadly, it hasn't managed to finish back above the 20 average. It is essentially under that at the moment, which could be an issue, because that means it's more than likely going to trade between these two levels until it finds enough buying momentum to sort of challenge this section back up again. It hasn't done too badly. The high of the day was $937. So yeah, look, we've come down a little bit, but 915, I think we're still okay. We're still in the 900s at the moment. These support areas are still in play. I'll just put that one in there. That's just a resistance area, or support area is broken. It's now resistance. So there's our resistance back in, and there's our high-end resistance area. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. This is currently sitting in a level of support currently at the moment. So we'll have to see how this is going to play out. This is platinum on the daily. We're going to see how the weekly is looking. Oh, there's our weekly chart. So there's our top resistance. There's our other resistance areas currently in place, which is pretty much bang on where we are there. That's our support line. And then we've got other support lines here. We're not too bad. Currently, this 200-day moving average is our major top resistance line. And then just above that at $954 per ounce. So we are trading between these two lines here. Don't get that wrong. So between 880 and 940. Let's go back to the daily. Right, let's have a look and see where we are. Guys, don't forget, we'll be once I finish up with the charts, we'll definitely be doing that giveaway. So for those that missed it, I think I asked if you guys could guess what this is. I will put the camera on and then we can take a look at exactly what's going to be given away. I think you guys will be fairly impressed. I've got a nice bit of something there. Maybe you guys keep hearing it, but we'll have to see how we get on. Ozzy, what's that in US dollars? What's that? Philharmonics. Ozzy Alchemist says, got my first Philharmonics days back, $30 US for a cull. Philharmonics tends to be what's $1, €1.50 face value. What's that? It's probably around just under $2, I think. Michael M says, if I could get some here for that much, I'd go nuts. Then again, my province charges tax for it. Wow, okay, that's a bit on the complicated side. Okay, let's look at. We're going to look at Palladium, guys. We're going to get on with the giveaway. Right, Palladium. Interesting. Palladium's majorly down. It's broken its $1,900 support level. We're actually below our 20-day moving average support line. We've actually crashed through that, so we're going to make a marker. That was our resistance line right over there. There wasn't enough momentum to get through, so we were effectively, there's our support line right there. And we're now trading between these two lines here, which is 1886. What a good year, especially if you've got a New Orleans coin, Morgan dollar, or 1844, which I think it was a seated, it would have been a seated dollar. But anyway, there's our support line currently. Our resistance line is now this 20 moving average, and then there's our top resistance line. So Palladium looking like a fairly interesting buy at $1,844 an ounce. Probably a lot of money for a lot of people, including myself. But there it is there. And let's have a look at Palladium on the weekly. We'll see just one little blip in regards to the way Palladium has performed. Yep, you can see it there. Just rising, a bit of falling, rising. So we might see there's 2 weeks of it. So maybe next week as well, we might have a bit of selling and then pushing back up, and it'll attempt to break out of that $2,000 level. We could see that before Christmas. It'd be interesting to see if that's going to happen. Palladium. John Sham says, Canadian damn taxes. Michael M. Just my province, I think, in Canada charges. Just my province, I think, in Canada. Wow, geez, that's crazy, man. Silver Limey 79. What's that in pounds? Wow, in pounds, man. Well, it'll be stronger anyway. I suppose if it's €2, it works out to what, 160? Probably a 170, £1.70 Aussie. Let's have a look there. Right, so again, we're not going to get into too much detail there for Palladium, but we might see a bit more selling before a bit more green continues. At this rate, there's our support line There's our 2 resistance lines. So that'll be it, short-term obstacle for the way platinum is going to go. Right, so let's take a look. We're going to finish off with Bitcoin, and then we're going to get on with a giveaway. Right, Bitcoin. What an interesting ride Bitcoin's had. Everyone got really excited because they thought, oh yeah, fantastic, here we go. This is the bottom everyone's been waiting for. Effectively, it was a double bottom. So we had that down here, we had that down there, and of course it went straight back up. Short-term analysis, we still got a descending resistance line here. And as you can see, my markers are still in place there. We've got a little bit of support in that area, which is still played in this area here. So we've still got a level of support in this area, and it is holding based on that. So we've got Bitcoin currently priced at $7,186 per token. However, we're still sitting in this channel, guys. For me, I still think that there is more room to go to the downside before we eventually catch up and pop out. But I mean, just look at these numbers here, guys. That's where our support line is. If you look, where our consistently, it hasn't quite touched this selling support line. It's just been just above it. So if we have a look at potential falls in the short term, 6,000, 5.7, 5.6, 5.5. Again, I still think that there's a lot more to play with here. Our 20 moving average is still currently in place. Still very stiff resistance on the way down. Bitcoin still needs to see a lot more action before any movement, until we see any sort of movement to the upside. Right, that's Bitcoin, $7,186 an ounce. Sorry, beg your pardon, per token. Here we go. The pumpers are back. Ozzy Alchemist. Yeah, absolutely. I think a lot of people were thinking, they were probably thinking, this is the bottom. Let's get in, pump the price. No one else came into nobody else joined the party. And now they're all thinking, damn, what did I do? And instead, what we had was here, we had everyone pump the price up. Literally, the guys who got down here got out of the top here, and now it's sitting at this level. Now, with these guys who are bought now, they're probably thinking, what do we do now? Do we hold, see what happens in the market? If we have another drop, then maybe we'll get rid of our bags. I think so. I think these guys are bought literally up here. They're the ones holding out to see if there's going to be any particular moves to the upside. So it'd be interesting to see how this is going to play out. Right, so Bitcoin 7,187 is still on a descending wedge pattern. So you can clearly see it there. It's sat in the wedge. It's constantly staying between these two lines here. So more than likely, if this tracks, we are going to see $5 grand, $5.5 grand. Be interesting. The volume there, it's still fairly low considering there's a one spike candle there, but still nowhere near these big buys here. Bitcoin's still got a lot of work to do. Ozzy, there we go. Have a look at the left there. We're up to 11 people, which is great. So we're back into double figures. Crypto are of the devil's work, says Silver Junky. Silver Junky says cryptos. Crypto, technically cryptos and crypto. You know, 1 crypto, 2 crypto, 3 crypto, as opposed to 1 crypto, 2 crypto, 3 cryptos. Technically, you don't really need the S. Right, guys, that is that. Now I'm going to jump over to the random number picker, and this is how Ozzy Alchemist says $5.5 grand. Mudswat, if only Mudswat was here. Where is Mudswat? Hey, yeah, your currents. It's good to see you, my man. Ozzy Alchemist says $5.5 grand. Are you getting in at $5.5 grand, Ozzy? Right, this is the giveaway will work. Super Junky says you learned something new then. There you go. Super Junky says learnt. Ozzy. It will be a random number generator. Okay. Right, so this is how the giveaway will work, everybody. It will be a random number generator. For those that have taken part in my giveaways previously, you get a choice of one number. From that number, I then chuck it into the random number generator. So I'll choose between 1 and 20. So you get to choose a number between 1 and 20. If it doesn't come up, you go again. Once that number, the first one that gets drawn on my screen, effectively then gets first chance at winning the booty. I will then ask you to pick a number between 1 and 4. So you've got a 25% chance straight away to get the number right. If you get the number wrong, obviously then we start all over again. So let me make sure that that is 100% clear. Okay. Okay, so I will obviously post the details in the chat. So I'll say choose a number between 1 and 20. Obviously not now, but just now. So we got John Chump Adventures putting in 10, 14 says Silver Junky, Ozzy Alchemist says 11, Acorn says 17. So you guys get the point. Obviously when I say go, Jody, man, how you doing? Where have you been hiding? You've been lurking. Good to see you, buddy. Yeah, so once you get that number right, you then get to choose number between 1 and 4, and then I'll select the number through the random number generator. Everything's played above board. You'll see the number being generated. You'll know if it's right or wrong, and then we go and play again. So let's make sure that's clear. So I'll put the number choice depending on how many people are in. Currently, low turnout. So you guys are the winners, essentially. There's nothing better than doing a giveaway, especially for the live stream, and loads of people miss out. So good for you guys. There we go. Ozzy Alchemist says wait for range. Let's have a look. Jody says I don't even know what you were doing. My YouTube has 3 minutes behind. Wow, 3 minutes behind. Make sure you're on live chat. There we go. Let me just put that there. Not top chat. Just make sure that that's 100% clear. Right, let's have a look. Michael M having a good laugh there. Jody says, "Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you, buddy, for next week. I'm sure you guys have got a fair amount planned." Okay, so as I said, make sure that you're on live chat, and then followed by not top chat. So therefore, we can make sure. So we've only got 9 entries at the minute. I thought there'd be a few more people. Oh well, let's have a look. What did I miss? Right, I'm going to put the letters in here. Right, here we go. Well, I'm going to choose switch the screen off there. We're going to put the random generator number in. Right, let's enable the video there. Let's see if we can hang on. I'll just say stop cam for a sec. How we doing, guys? Good to see you all. Right, this is what we're going to be looking at giving away. Thank you for putting your numbers in. I'm going to put the number generator in a sec. Right, we're going to start off with 1964, 90% $half. Quarter ounce, Armenia, Noah's Ark series, quarter ounce, 3 9's fine. Followed by a 1964 dime. There we go. There's a Roosevelt 1964. Hope you guys can see that all right. And then finally, I've got one of these here. Copper round Aztec. Beautiful. Beautiful piece, guys. This will be the big one. These are no longer available, so I think they'll look nice in someone's collection there. Right, so we've got the 1 ounce copper round. $half, 90% Kennedy. Do believe this is, let's have a look and see what mint mark is on this one. Looks like a Philadelphia. Nope, it's a Denver. Quarter ounce Republic of Armenia Noah's Ark. And then of course we got a Roosevelt dime, 1964. There's a fair amount of 90% there. We've got 3 9's fine here, some 90%. And of course we've got the big round, big nice copper round. Right, that's me out. We're gonna go back to the prizes. Let's go. Okay, so camera off, guys, and we're gonna go back to the generator. Right. Okay, sorry, I had to show that first, so we'll go ahead and choose it. You guys are welcome to wait a sec. I just want to go through and just check and see. We've got 10 people in, so right. So Paul says, sorry, Ozzy, unlucky. Sorry, unlucky guys. Silver Junky says I won already. Gramstacker, good luck, everybody. Love it. Silver Junky says, sorry, guys, you can all leave now. Crypto Elf, I'll take it since I'm reaccumulating. There we go. Paul, is it Dyche? He says, I never win anything. I couldn't get lucky with a fistful of $100 bills in women's prison. Hilarious there, Jody. So the suspense, absolutely, guys. Field Guy 316, and the winner is and Divina. Divina is Jody says, only just noticed the screen. Where the lights, yeah, I'm not in the best of lighting conditions at the minute anyway. But Christian, how you doing there, Christian? Good to see you. So we've got a few people in here. So right, I'm going to choose the numbers again. This time we've got 10, so choose a number from 1 to 15. 1 answer only. Right, There you go. You got to choose a number between 1 and 15. Whoever gets this right will then get to choose between a number between 1 and 4. If you guess that number right, the prize is yours. Let's do it. Choose a number between 1 and 15. Only one guess. Oh, wow, there's a number of 8s there. Someone likes their 8s. Right, so we've got Silver Junky. Are you current with 5? We've got 14, 5, 6, 8, 2 for Ozzy Alchemist, 9 for Mr. Dave. Mr. Dave, how you doing? Field Guy 316 says number 1, Christian Black. He says number 8 and Gramstacker with number 12. Right, so let's get on with it. So let's choose the random number generator, and the number we're looking for is number 12. Did anybody? There we go. Well, we've got number 12 already, and that is Gramstacker. Right. There we go. Gramstacker. You've got number 12, buddy. Right, so you'll get to choose choose a number from 1 to 4. There we go. Graham says, great way to give away. Right. Okay. So, Graham, you need to choose a number between 1 and 4, please. And I'm just going to get the random number generator ready. Right. There we go. Right. So, choose a number between 1 and 4, and good luck to you. Michael M says, Graham, let's see what he says. What number are you going to choose? Okay. So, Graham chooses number 2. Mr. Dave says, figs. Right, here we go. Let's see. Are we going to look? Is number 2 going to pop up? Is this your number? Sorry, Graham, number 1's come up. So we go back to the chat. Hard luck there, buddy. Right, so we're going to go back to 1 to 15. Okay, so let's have a look there, Graham. Right, so okay, so wait for it. Right, there you go. Choose a number between 1 and 15. One guess only. Right, let's have a look. Good luck, everybody. Let's have a look. Dang. Right, Michael M says 3. We got, are you current with 7? We've got, it was very close, Graham. John Chum Adventures says number 6. We got up to 12 here. Looks like we're going to have to see how things go. Right, so we've got Silver Junky, Jody, Mr. Dave, Ozzy Alchemist. We've got Christian with 3, Graham with 10, Paul with number 5. Let's have a look. See, I'm going to give you about 10 more seconds. If anyone hasn't put down their numbers, you've got 10 seconds before I select the number. Right, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Right, that round is closed. The number we're going to be looking for between 1 and 15 is number 4. Did somebody give number 4? Let's have a look. Nope, there is no number 4, which means we get to do another one. Right, let's go again, please. 1 to 15, one guess only. Hey, Coin Collector, how you doing, buddy? It's good to see you. Please try again. 1 to 15. Let's go, everybody. 1 to 15. See, we've got up to 13 watching, so we might have to increase it to 20. So this is your time to go for that low number. We got 13 in the chat. Let's see if we can keep it going. Coin Collector says, oh, Michael M says 15. Coin Collector with 7. Jody with 10. Silver Junky. Coin Collector, I know you've just come in, but you can go back and see what the prizes are. Let's have a look. We've got AU Current there with 4. We've got Silver Junky with 14. Ozzy with 2. Silver Junky says, woohoo. Gramstacker with 6. So we're back to 12 here. Happy New Year, guys. That's Jody. Right, I'm going to close off in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closed. That's it. Right, let's see who is the winner. So generate number 10. Did anyone guess number 10? No. Oh, hang on, Jody. Jody. There we go. We've got Jody in with number 10. That's it. Fantastic. Right, Jody. Now you've got number 10 there. So Jody gets to choose number. Let me just double check that. So we've got 1 and guess only. We've got 15, 7, lol. Jody with 10. Did anyone else guess number 10? Nope. Jody with number 10. So let's go with Jody. 1 to 4. Right, Jody, it's your turn. 1 to 4, please. Guess 1 guess only. 1 to 4. So let's choose. There we go. 1 to 4. Are you going to guess? Right, Jody goes in with number 4. Let's see if he's lucky. Right, so 1 to 4. Here we go. Number 2, Jody. Unfortunately, you didn't make it. Sorry, bud. Jody says 4. The answer is 2. That's the number we're looking for. So we go back to the chat again. Let's have a look. We got 13 in, so we're still going to do 1 to 15. There we go. Paul there with number 5. Just a bit late, but let's do it. So 1 to 15. Let's go. Jody having a good laugh there. 1 to 15. Please, 1 guess only. So let's have a look. Michael M with 7. John Chum Adventures with 12. Jody having a good laugh there. Looks like we got a few more in here. Let's have a look. This is fun. It's got to be fun when you do a giveaway as opposed to just wham bam. Oh, thanks very much. Have a nice day. You won. Congratulations. It keeps things exciting because then you know you might get another chance to win. Michael M says 7. John Chum Adventures with 12. Coin Collector with 7. Silver Junky having a lap. Jody with 3. Ozzy Alchemist with 2. Are you current with 15? And then okay, so I'm gonna close it off in 10 seconds. I need to charge my phone. So Jody, you better hurry up, bud. Right, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closed. Right, so no more answers after this. So we're going to choose a number between 1 and 15. Let's do it. 1 and 15. And the number we're looking for is 15. Did anyone? There we go. There's definitely 15 in. Let's have a look. And it looks like AU Current has got number 15 in. There we go. Congratulations, buddy. It's now your turn to choose between the number between 1 and 4. Just give me a minute there. I just want to double check. Yep, I'm happy with that. You've got number 15. Yep. Congrats, buddy. It's now your turn. How does it end until there's a winner? That's how it ends, Jody. And you current 1 to 4, please. 1 guess. Flip's name on. How you doing? Good to see you. Thank you very much for dropping in. Recent subscriber as well. Enjoyed the South African Krugerrand review I did. Right, AU Current. What's your number, please? Between 1 and 4. AU Current only. I keep seeing random numbers being thrown in there. Let's have a look. AU Current 1 to 4, please. 1 guess. Okay, AU Current's going with 3. He doesn't win $10. 3 to 1. He doesn't win $10. That's wow. That's a pretty hectic guess. Okay, so AU Current says 3. Let's see if he does it. And the winning number is 2. Hard luck, buddy. Coin Collector says, "Hey, did you see my Strike Your Own Sovereign video?" But I don't think it came up on my feed, Coin Collector. So yeah, I'll definitely check that out. Right, so 1 to 15. One guess only. Well, currently, it's sitting at 11 people watching, so you guys are the real winners here. Silver Streak, how you doing, buddy? We're currently doing a giveaway at the minute. You've got to guess between 1 and 15. One guess only if you're taking part, but thanks for dropping in. Always an absolute pleasure. Wait for... There it is. Now you can put your number in. Anyone who put that in before, please put the number in again. Okay, Silver Streak. Man, Silver Streak, good to see you. We got Silver Junky with 6, Coin Collector with 7, Michael M with 11, Ozzy Alchemist with 7, Christian Black says 4. There's got to be some more. Jody 11, Mr. Dave with 9, Jody, sorry, 1 says Jody, Gramstacker with 3, Jody's Flip's name on says 1. Silver Streak with 8. See, I wonder if Silver Streak will steal it. Straight into the chat there and straight in to win something. Right. Let's do 1 to 15. Right, which number are we going to go in? Let me just close off the no more winning numbers after 10 seconds. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No more numbers. Closed. Right, let's have a look. Right, the winning number I'm looking for is number 10. Did someone choose number 10? Let's have a look. Oh dear. No number 10. Let's just double check. We don't appear to have a number 10. Nope. No number 10. So we're going to do it again, guys. Anyway, Jody says, anyone want to partner up and share it? Bigfoot Silver Hide and Seeker says, I picked 3 Dov 14. Silver Streak says, go here, Chump's electric company, not my electric off after I started to come in here. Oh, geez. Wow, that's hectic. Thought they blew my modem out again, but the best be glad they didn't. Exactly. Right, 1 to 15, everybody. Wait for the notice in the chat first. Guess only. Right there. Wait for it, guys. Mr. Dave, you have to post it again, please. Right, there we go. 1 to 15. Let's put that number in. Likewise, Christian, it has to fall in after that, please. So you're welcome to repost it. One guess only. 1 to 15. We've got 13 watching. So we got Michael M with 11, John Chum Adventures with 12, Ozzy with 2, Coin Collector with 7, 6. We've got a good selection of numbers here. Good job. And you're current with 7 again. We've got Gramstacker with 3, Jody with 1. Wait a few more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closed. There we go. Right, let's do it. Random selection number. The number we're looking for is number 12. Did somebody choose number 12? Let's have a look. Yep, we've got one there. John Chum Adventures. Good job to you. John Chum Adventures, number 12's been picked. Congratulations. You now have the chance to take the pots. Right. Wait to Right, so John Chum. John Chum, 1 to 4, please. One guess. So congratulations there. Good thing you made it there, John. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we can give this away. You've got a 1 to 4, so you've got a 25% chance straight away to get something. 25% that you're going to get the right number. John Chum chooses number 2, guys. How lucky do you think he is? More chance of winning the lottery. Hardly, Jody. Jeez, what's the number? Right, let's have a look. Is it going to be 2? Sorry, guys, it's number 1. Let's back to the chat. Hard luck, John. Right, we're going to go back to the chat there. This time we got 16 people watching, so this is interesting. So we're going to move to a 1 to 20. Right, we're holding in with 1 to 16. So you got one guess only. 1 to 20, please. Clayton, how you doing, buddy? Good. If you're taking part, got to put one guess in between the number between 1 and 20. Let's go, guys. Let's see. Hopefully we can get someone. Unfortunately, no one's. There's been a number of guys that have attempted to get it. They've fallen at the last hurdle. Let's see if we can get this over the line. We're going to fall back to 1 and 15 after this. We've got coin collector with 7. Nail it, John, says Bigfoot. Seems to be. Make sure you guys are on live chat. Silver Junky with 6. We got Michael M with 11. Coin collector. Mr. Dave, coin collector with 7. You've already put 7 in there, coin collector. 7. I'm going to take your first answer. Anyone who puts in 2 answers, your first one will apply. Silver Streak says 16. Silver Junky with 6. Graham with 17. John Chum Adventures. Christian with 19. That's it. We're going to be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closed. Right, no more entries for this one. We're going to do a right, so let's see, where are we here? That's the 1 to 20 rule. Let's get I'm going to put 20, and the number we're looking for is number 13. Unlucky number 13. Did someone get it? Did anyone put the number 13? Nope. Doesn't look like it. Got number 6. Oh, hang on. Oh, was that after? Okay, let me just check and just make sure that was. There's a number 13 in. Was it in time for the cutoff? Yes, indeed. We've got number 13. It's Silver Taniwha. That is, he's chosen number 13, or that person has chosen number 13. So if anyone puts multiple guesses in, the first one is chosen straight away. So let me just double check to make sure that person didn't put in a guess earlier on. Nope. Right. So Silver Taniwha. Good morning from Oz. Well, it's good to see you. Thank you very much for dropping in. Right. Silver Taniwha. 1 to 4, please. One guess. Well, first stream to guess. There we go. Right. So Silver Taniwha, please choose a number between 1 and 4. You got one guess only. You got a 25% chance here to win this pot. And if you're not sure what it is, you're gonna have to go back and check to see what the giveaway is all about. We got 16 people watching. Yep, I'm a dude, says Silver Taniwha. Right, there we go. Silver Taniwha says number 3. So there we go. Right, Taniwha, are you currently a subscriber? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Right, here we go. So we're looking for number 3 here. Let's do it. Number 2, unfortunately not. Didn't make it this time. Silver, hard luck, Taniwha. Silver Stanger, man, I was just thinking about you today, man. How you doing? It's great to see you. Flipping fantastic. Right, so there's another go for everybody. We're going to pull it back. We're going to say 1 to 18. One guess only. 1 to 18. That's the number we're going to choose from, guys. Put your numbers in. 1 to 18. Silver Taniwha. Yep, I sure am a subscriber. There we go. I like the sound of that. Silver Stanger, man, it's good to see you. I was looking at your channel today, actually, and I was thinking, man, I hope you're okay. Your last posting was about 4 months ago, but I'm glad you're around, man. Right, let's have a look. Coin collector with 7. So one guess only. Silver Junky, Mr. Dave is in, Christian Black is in, Michael M, Clayton is in, Jody, Oh, Jody, no, you put 2 in. The first one will apply, so it's going to be 18. Bob the Monk, man, how you doing? It's good to see you, Bob the Monk. All right, so I'm going to close in 10 seconds to make sure you get to your last ones in. Silver Limey 79 loves playing 4-card Monty. Absolutely. Hey, you guys have got to work if you want this stuff. There's no one answer only. And here you go, it's all yours. Silver Stanger says, doing great, Silver Limey. How are you, my friend? I'm doing pretty well, actually. Finishing work tomorrow, and I'm off for a week. Right, it's going to be closed in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Right, let's have a look. So 1 to 18 is what we're looking for. That is the number. We're going to go back and see where we are. The number we're looking for is number 18. Well, we've definitely got 18. Unfortunately, Jody, lucky for him, he chose the number first. We got Christian. He's chosen number 18. And it looks like it's Christian. Christian got there just before you there, Jody. Right, so that's Christian Black. Number 18 on my screen. There's the number there. So you get to go and see if you can win. You got a 1 in 4 chance. So give me a sec here to put this in. Christian, 1, 2, 4. Please, one guess. That's the Christian Black. You're first in. Jody, hard luck there, buddy. Hopefully you'll get the next one. Flips Neyman says number 8. How you doing there, Bob the Monk? It's good to see you too, buddy. Okay, so Christian Black says number 3. He's going with number 3, guys. Let's see. Is number 3 going to pull a hat out here? Let's have a look. And we have a winner. There you go. Christian Black's the winner. He's got number 3. He's chosen it. He is the winner. Congrats, Christian, my man. Good answer. Yeah, I was in the army. Wow. Okay, there we go. So Christian Black, congratulations. This is your prize, man. Congratulations, buddy. You got it. There we go. It only took a few tries. I think it's the honest way to do it. I love doing it because it gives me a chance to chat to everybody and keep things going, keeps things lively. But look at that. Over just an hour, we've got our winner there. Christian Black. Congratulations, buddy. You need to drop me an email. I'm going to ask for confirmation. You'll have to send me a screenshot to make sure you're a subscriber. And I'll obviously need your address. Your address will obviously be used for postal only, no other third-party references. But there you go, my man. Congratulations. I'll put the camera on in a sec again. It's a little bit on the dark side here, so I'll show you exactly what you've won. Mr. Dave insists that it's fixed. There we go. We got congratulations from Michael M. saying congrats. We've got Clayton County History Hound. Congrats. That's awesome. Silver Taniwha says congratulations, bro. John Chum Adventures. Congratulations, Christian. Mr. Dave says thank God. I would have kept on going, buddy. Mr. Dave. That's the way I play it. Congrats, man, says Gramstacker. Bob the Monk. Talking about the markets. The markets relying too much on China. Phase 1 deal. The Feds are commuting currency suicide or committing. Nothing will save it now. The Treasury will suffer multiple reflationaries. There you go. Thanks for that, Bob. Silver Britches says, what's up, everyone? Hey, man, how you doing? Thanks for dropping in. Jody there. Jimmy fixed it. Congratulations. We got Christian Black's a winner. There you go. Silver Junky says, you stole my precious. Flips Neyman says, first time here. It's great. I'll be back. Thanks very much. The Flip Neyman. I hope all is well your side. Let's have a look. What is the randomizer program you're using? It's just a Google one. Literally, it's google.com. A random number generator. Real easy. Nothing too complicated. Right, so our winner If you know, that's our winner there. So Christian, congratulations. Let's put the camera on there. Hope it's not going to be too dark. Give me 1 sec here. We should be okay. Congratulations there, Christian. All the best, my friend. This is what you're walking away with, in case you missed it earlier. So we have copper 1 ounce round. This is the Aztec, so this is limited to what, 30,000. Currently no longer available. This was given to me by one of my YouTubers. He said I could give it away in a giveaway. So there it is. There's the Aztec calendar. It's going to be a good one. We've got a bit of silver as well to give away. So we've got 1964, 90% half dollar. Denver mint mark. And I've got one of the beautiful Republic of Armenia Noah's Ark coins. Sorry, keep going off. Let's see if I can. Sorry, there might be too much exposure. That's a 1/4 ounce. And a Roosevelt die in 1964. So there's a fair amount of 90% silver and pure silver there. Right, so that brings the last chart to an end. Let me have a look there. Bring this up. We're going to go back into. Turn that off first. Let's go back into the silver chart. There we go. 1715. You have to go to my channel there. You can go to click on about. When you go into my channel, you'll click on the about. You'll see email there. Go into there. You'll see my email. It's quite simple there. Ozzy Alchemist says GSR, please. Ozzy Alchemist. How you doing, Ozzy? How are things there, man? I'm sure temperatures are skyrocketing there, my man. Nice prizes, Jelly, says Ozzy. Let's have a look here. We've got Silver Streak says nice round, absolutely. You're a very good-looking lad, says Mr. Dave. Smash that like button. Silver Britches says button has been smashed. Love it, guys. Please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. This is the last chart live stream of 2019. We're gonna carry on. I might do a slightly different version of it next year. I might make it a bit shorter, something like that. There's a number of things I've got time to think about. Also, Stream Limey, thanks, man. Says Silver Junky, guys. Thank you all very much. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Have a great Christmas. Whew, yep, heat waves and bushfires, man. Ozzy, my thoughts go with you, buddy. The temperatures there they're talking about are pretty serious, man. There we go. Silver Junky says, I'm off, bro. Getting off work now, says Silver Junky. Well, thanks very much for dropping in, everyone. We got Ozzy Alchemist. We'll do the usual shout outs there. Silver, Taniwha. What's the temperature there, Ozzy? I'm sure it's pretty hot. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate you all. Have a great Christmas, guys. And I'll be posting some videos over the next week or so. So make sure the post notifications are on. And I'll try and catch up to you guys in any live streams that may come in, any videos you guys post. I'll be sure to click on the like button and comments as well. Silver Streak says, have a great weekend, everyone. Happy holidays to you all. Thanks very much, Silver Streak. We've got Ozzy Alchemist, Silver Britches, Silver Streak, Mr. Dave, Silver Junky, Silver Taniwha, all the way from New Zealand. Silver Stanger, man, it's good to see you. Silver Stanger and Flip's name on one of my new subscribers. Christian Black, congratulations, you're the winner. drop me an email, buddy. Look forward to getting that. And we've got Jody here as well. Jody, always a pleasure. Thank you. Bob the Monk. Clayton, Country History Hound. We've got Michael M. Coin Collector. And we're going to do one more. Let's have a look. Bigfoot Silver Hide and Seeker. Right, guys, that's me out of here. I'll see you guys all soon. Have a great weekend. Take care.